it's Clara. How are you guys? Hope you're all okay. I thought I'd do a few signs that you would use in a medical setting as a nurse or a doctor, a carer, in that sort of environment and institution, okay? So it's just a few signs. I've got a little list here that I want to use as a guide, okay? To remember the signs that I'm going to do for you, okay? So the first one is nurse, nurse, doctor, doctor, pain, pain, medicine, medicine, tablet, tablet or tablets, lay down, lay down. I hope you can see me, guys. Lay down, get up, get up, stand up, stand up, ill, ill, sick, sick, sit down, sit down, help, help, help me, help me, help you, help you, yes, yes. So that's like yes, yes. So yes, no, no. Blood pressure, blood pressure. That's it, guys. I hope you could understand that. I've got my little one in the background making noise, okay? So anyway, keeping it real. Bye, guys. I hope you learned from that, okay? Bye. Bye.